What's peppermint oil good for? Naturally boosting your energy. Hi, my name's Amelia, and this is the Essential How-To channel where I love to amplify your sense of feeling good in your home and your health and your attitude. Today's video is going to give you 3 ways to use peppermint oil to boost your energy or help you with stamina. Everything I talk about today will be linked to down below in the description, so be sure to check it out. Peppermint oil has been found to boost your energy and to help you with stamina, so it's a great thing to use in the morning when you're just waking up, or if you're about to do a workout. There's lots of ways that you're going to find this to help you out. So before using any essential oils, do a skin test. That means just put some drops on your wrist, wait 30 minutes, and see if there's any redness or itching. Not only that, you want to make sure that you use a carrier oil to help your body use the oil effectively. Commonly, people use fractionated coconut oil, almond oil, or jojoba oil. So let's talk about 3 ways to use peppermint oil to help boost your energy. The first is the easiest of all. Just take a high quality peppermint oil. I always use doTERRA because I know how they source it, I know how they distill it, and the reason why that's so important is because if a company doesn't distill the oils correctly, it actually changes the compound, so they don't do what you expect them to do. So simply open up the bottle, put your hand over the top, and inhale 3 deep breaths, and that will get you on your way immediately to noticing a difference in your energy. Second way is really simple, using it topically. You use a little bit of that fractionated coconut oil or jojoba oil, some kind of carrier oil like that. Take a couple of drops in your hand and warm it up and simply give yourself a little neck massage. So tip number 3 is really the same as tip number 1, except instead of inhaling it from the bottle, you're just going to have it in your hands and take the deep breaths in, just like making your very own diffuser. It makes a really big difference really fast. Now, if you want to make this even more effective, combine peppermint oil with something like wild orange. Wild orange is a citrus oil that is known for improving your mood, for decreasing anxiety, for making you braver. So it's a really nice oil to pair with peppermint oil. And of course, when you have peppermint oil on your hands, avoid touching your eyes, inside of your nose, or inside of your ears. I hope that you'll check out the other videos here on the Essential How-To channel with many more ways to use essential oils in your daily routines. And it really will amplify your sense of feeling good in your home, your health, and your attitude. And of course, when you use that peppermint oil on your hands, be very careful not to touch your eyes or get it in your nose or in your ears either, because, peppermint oil, that would be really spicy.